What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to add some Euro flare to the 58. Alright guys, this is what we got. We got some hella Euro Spec headlights with the fluted glass. We also have, I believe these are Holland Spec, the chevron shape. We're going to be replacing more of the snowflake shape on our tails. I got 2 bulbs, retaining bolts, bulb holders, and some springs. So we're just going to start by pulling these apart and just getting them all cleaned up. Alright, we got one headlight disassembled. As you can see, there's some mold and just dirt and grime, so we're going to be cleaning that up. The glass is in great shape, just needs a cleaning. We have the clips that retain the glass in. We have the seal, which is in great shape as well, which is perfect because I do not have another one. And then we have the bezel, which I think I might use the bezels from my headlights just because they're in a little better shape. And we're going to be cleaning it up with sweet Patina, all-purpose cleaner. I also bought the Patina sauce, which I'll probably try at the end of this video on the hood and just let you guys know how it works. So let's get this stuff cleaned up. Alright, we got one cleaned up. I'm going to attempt to polish the bezel just to keep the 2 sets complete. So we'll start doing that. I'm going to use some quadruple zero Brillo and I'm just going to wet it up a little bit, go around it, and then I like this stuff. New polish. I'll use that at the end. Pretty happy with the way that turned out. I don't even know if you could tell the difference on camera, but this one's much better looking. So I'm gonna get this one disassembled and cleaned up, get them both assembled, and we'll bring you back to mess with the taillights. All right guys, both headlights all cleaned up. I don't know if you could really tell the difference on camera, but take my word for it, they are much better. All right, next up, we're gonna remove the taillights and get on those. These should be a little bit easier. You just got your one screw up top. Hopefully not drop them. I'm just gonna leave the gaskets. Boom, that's it. Right, we got these on the bench. As you can tell, my car was originally coral red, which you can see inside this original paint. But anyway, we're gonna pop these bulb retainers out, pop the glass out. Now we got this all disassembled. Looks to be original. I don't think it's ever been taken apart. But we'll work with what we got. We're gonna get the glass cleaned up, get this back reassembled, and go from there. Alright guys, that's one done. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about it. Obviously this is the new one. That's the traditional snowflake style. I'm really digging it. It's a little subtle change. OEM plus. I'm gonna get the other one done and then we'll start installing them on the car. easy part's done. Taillights are in, they're looking good. Next, we're gonna remove old headlights and get the new ones in. I'm gonna have to do some wiring, which is not my forte, so we'll see how that goes. So I got the wiring figured out. It's pretty straightforward. I always get ahead of myself when I'm doing wiring. I assume it's gonna be the worst thing ever, and it's always not. So we got power, ground. That's all it is. And then we got power, ground. What I realized is I don't have the city light bulbs, so I'm gonna get those ordered. I called a friend to see if maybe he's got them, so waiting to hear back from him, but we'll just hook it up like this. Let me know if that lights up. Perfect. I'm gonna get the headlight assembly in and we'll see what they look like. Alright guys, that's the headlights done. Just a couple of little touches to keep things interesting on the car. As I mentioned in a past video, Paul gifted me those taillight lenses for, you know, doing his pans, which he didn't have to do, so I appreciate you, Paul. Also, Paul sourced, along with his friends, the headlights for me, so good guy to know. But I'm gonna get on checking out this sweet patina on the hood, and we'll see how that works. All right, this is the stuff we'll be using. I'm sure you guys have all heard of it. I haven't tried it yet. I bought it a couple of months ago. And it matches my car pretty well, so must be good. As you guys could probably tell, this hood is not the correct hood for this car. It's not even the same color. When I was building this car, the car had like a yellow haze to it that I eventually got out. And this hood matched exactly. And the patina on it just matches the car really well. So I don't even really think I want to change the hood. So we'll see if this stuff brightens it up a little bit. So right off the bat, it says to use a microfiber, which I currently am washing. So we're off to a bad start. But it says to apply this stuff and then wait 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll do a small section and then I'll bring you back when we're ready to go. So we waited the 20 minutes and just wiped it clean. You could definitely tell a difference. It does what it says it's gonna do. So I'm gonna get this other side done off camera. That's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We are coming ever so close to that 1K subscriber mark, so if you haven't already, go down below and hit that button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think about all the little Euro bits. I'm liking it. Little changes here and there are always nice. Hit that like button. It helps the video out, algorithm stuff. I appreciate you guys. We'll see you next time.